So we have just started from home. It's around 5:30. Pretty cold. Mandatory stop at Hanuman Temple. The weather's pretty decent, and we are on our way to Hampi. We'll be going through Shamshabad, Jadcherla, Raichur, Hospet. So this is a very exciting ride for me because I'm traveling with my wife, and this is our first long ride too. So I hope it's an epic adventure and మీ అందరికీ నచ్చుతుందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. It feels pretty good driving. So మా వైఫ్ బీటెక్ అప్పుడు లేచిందంట, లేచి అలారం పెట్టుకొని స్నూజ్ చేసుకుంటూ పోస్ట్పోన్ చేసుకుంటూ లేస్తుండే అందరం. సో ఫీల్స్ గుడ్ టు యాక్చువల్లీ వేకప్ ఎర్లీ. చాలా ఫ్రెష్గా ఉంది బాడీ అయితే. సో లాస్ట్ నైట్ ఐ థింక్ వి స్లెప్ట్ అరౌండ్ 10:30 ప్యాకింగ్ వాకింగ్ అన్నీ చేసుకునేసరికి. కానీ ఎంత ప్యాకింగ్ చేసుకున్నా కూడా ఏదో ఒకటి మర్చిపోతున్నాం అనే ఒక ఫీలింగ్ వస్తుంటుంది ఎప్పుడు. నాకు కిందికి దిగంగానే అదే అనిపిస్తుండే. మనం ఎంత ప్రో ప్యాకర్స్ ఉన్నా, ప్రో ట్రావెలర్స్ ఉన్నా, ఎప్పుడు బిఫోర్ లీవింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ హోమ్ ఏదో ఒకటి మర్చిపోతున్నాం అనే ఫీలింగ్ అయితే పక్కా అందరికీ వస్తుందని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. Just look at this fog. Almost zero visibility everywhere. Sun is out. Feels like Delhi. टिफिन नहीं है? ओके ओके. हाँ, so we are going to Sandarshini for breakfast. Udupi pure veg. Looks like a good place. Let's check it out. Sandarshini Udupi hotel, exactly 100 kilometers from my place. So there is a flyover which says Mehboob Nagar 20 kilometers. Don't take the flyover, just have to take a left from under the flyover, and then after 500 meters you have to take the right. Thank you, visit again. Bye bye, Mehboob Nagar. I actually saw this movie called Into the Wild recently. Have any of you watched it? It's a beautiful movie. I think that movie will inspire you to travel. If you haven't watched it, please watch it. And when I look at these mountains and all that, not mountains, these are like small hills, I just got reminded of that movie. चल रही यूं ही चल रही कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया, फूल सारे चमेले दिख फूलों के मेले, बड़ी रंगीन है ये दुनिया, rum dum da na na da dum da na na rum dum da na na da dum da na na rum dum da na na da dum da na ne maiya ye raasta hai. So saw a small beautiful field, marigold. Oh, nice, looks very colorful. So entered Marikal. Seems like a small town. Always have to be careful on small towns when you pass through small towns. And it's 167. I think till Hampi this national highway is going to continue. I think we'll be on the same national highway. Let's overtake. Looks like a small lake, Maktal Lake. Oh, Anna, namaste. Good memories of that bike actually. So when we were kids and in my apartments, the huge community, around 250 families. So there used to be this Dobi who used to have that bike. So best part about that bike was the Hero Luna. It starts without a key. So when we were kids and we were, fascinated about riding new bikes, so we used to go and when that guy was not there in the shop, we used to go start the bike, go for a spin, 5-10 minutes, fearing that that guy might catch, and hurriedly, in hurry-burry, we used to roam here and there and come back and put the bike. So yeah, good memories. And I saw that bike, wanted to share it with you.
So this is where we enter Karnataka. So this is on the Karnataka Telangana border, and that's the Krishna river that's flowing on both the sides. So it was a beautiful sight to watch, and bridge was actually pretty narrow. Lot of traffic, lot of incoming traffic actually. So you have to be very careful on this bridge. Yeah, it was a nice bridge, and we have just entered the state of Karnataka. So yeah,
Going through a small town called Devsugur. Need to stay on this highway for another 14 kilometers. Raichur Fort says 18 kilometers. 4 years back. So I remember this, and Kannada font is almost similar to Telugu. Flyover after you. Weather is actually taking a toll. So after a heavy lunch at Nisarga Deluxe, we are on our way to Hampi. Still 120 kilometers to go. 2 hours 46 minutes. The GoPro is back. It was on charge. I didn't have a spare battery. Charged to 100%. So the road which we have come from, it was not through Raichur. It was a detour actually from Raichur. So Like I've seen many vlogs where people have actually taken Raichur route and Gulbarga. Sorry, not Gulbarga. What is that place? Bellary. But this route that what we took was really very good. Very few bad patches, except for that. Road was too good. We were cruising at 90-100 on this bike. So if you have a better bike, I mean better bike in the sense if you have a Dominar or a KTM, I'm sure you could even do 120 on that road. So we are right now on Raichur Koppal road. Had a beautiful lunch and you know how it feels like after you have a good heavy lunch and on a lazy weekday where it's sunny, you're just sleepy. All you want is a bedsheet and an AC. That's what it shows. So we started at 6 and we'll be reaching at 6. So that's what I estimated, 12 hours. Keeping all the breaks in mind, and the first 200 kilometers were actually very good. After that, you know, the lower body started to pain by sitting for too long, so that's when we had to stop for lunch. And now we are, I think, fully charged up. We had some cold water, had some good food, very nice food, pure vegetarian restaurant, and the pretty nice weather. Sun is out, shining bright. No signs of rain whatsoever. We carried a raincoat just in case, but I don't think that will be needed. I think we are at Raichur main junction. Looks like that. So people, some beach में है तो कैसा uncle? We are in Sindanur. Pretty big town actually. From the towns that we saw on this ride. The Hawkins store, Reliance Trends, some good. Just entered Sripuram. Bellary left. Gangavati straight. This is a small town, Sripuram. We are heading straight towards Gangavati. So this is the Gangavati road. She only came for me. She said if you want to do it, I'll come along. This is the best birthday gift that she could give me. I don't want anything else. She accompanying me on a bike. Being the first time for her, she's never traveled this. She never traveled more than 50-70 kilometers, I guess. Leads to many rides. Next 1 year will be a lot of trips for sure. So many people advise me to go with a group, go in a car and all that, but I just took the call. You can do it. It's not so tough, right? When the roads are good, when you have a good bike, and you do take care of basic things like carrying spare parts. So you should have the urge to do the ride. No matter what bike you have, I think you can do it. Jigar rehna, jigar, dil undali. Who cares whether you're in US, Canada, Australia, UK? I'm in India doing my first bike ride and I'm enjoying it. India is actually a very incredible, beautiful place to explore. Some people, travel all around the world. But I feel first you should explore your own country and then travel. At least that thought has started processing in my mind. Earlier I was like international trips and all, but isn't it so beautiful driving in your own country? Just reached Karatagi. 50 more kilometers to go. It shows 1 hour 23 minutes. So I guess. We're at Narsapur and it's just the second toll of the trip. So there's a Shivaji Maharaj statue over here, Gangavati. Koppal is that way. You have to go this way from the statue. Come straight from the statue. Yeah. Shivaji Maharaj in Karnataka. Interesting. I'll have to read about that. It's been exactly 12 hours since we started from Hyderabad, from my home. Actually starting to feel a little uncomfortable. I have to appreciate her patience. She sat so well so far till here. Sure. So we are going through Anegundi Gangavati Road. Just stopped for changing memory card because memory card is full. "24 kilometers to go, 43 minutes. Yeah, totally I can understand because it's a night ride and I think we are riding through a small city, so nighttime vlogging on a GoPro without any street lights. Riding in night is also a different fun, as long as you have good lights. Lot of accessories to be bought, not lot actually, just the halogens and a better backrest, probably touring seats. What else do we need? A proper helmet and a proper jacket. These are basic stuff. Panniers and all can wait. My backpack is enough for me. Becoming a little tough for me to ride. Concentrate on vlogging or concentrate on the road. So I'll see you in the resort.